This shop has some awesome Otises, but it's closed. On the last day when it was open, I came here to film the lift, but there's someone it was actually closing, and the person at the door, even though I actually just wanted to film the lift, and it was the last day it was open, he wouldn't let me in, which is really mean. He's such a cunt. Now into the Times Square shopping centre. And in there is the Dive lift, but there's a building site and you have to go through there to find it. And what's weird is that that's actually been a building site for a long time. It's been a building site for so long that I'd imagine that they'd completely rebuilt all the wall layout and replaced the lift, which is sad. It's the only one of its kind in the UK. Now it's the lifts in the shopping centre, which are Gen 2s. They're not even a step. These actually were originally, other lifts have been modernised into Gen 2s. And it appears they were old Otises. I pushed 3, and I pushed the up button. That's stupid. And I accepted my call. He's just making awesome noise. Let's film the sound it makes going down. There's the motor room. It has had a VF mod, but unusually for VF mod it still sounds rather old. When I was up there, the manager of the shopping centre came out and he was rather rude. The manager came out of an office and he was rather rude. Like I was disturbing him. Now into the car park. The lifts are down this weird walkway. If only there were stairs, then that busway with island platforms really would be awesome. Let's go in the lift. Where is it? This way. And it's a generic lift. It's actually very similar to the lifts in the old King's Mile car park in Hammersmith that got demolished. It's quite loud chime, I haven't had that one before. Let's go to the roof. 2001. I think this might have originally been a generic lift, or it might have originally been an Otis or something. Let's go to the ground floor, come on. There is the busway that has an island platform, and it's like this really awesome busway. If there were stairs and you didn't have to cross the road, then it would be even better. And here's my bus, which is an Optare.